Alright, this video I'm going to talk briefly about Ifttt.com. Ifttt.com stands for if this then that, and it is one of the coolest web applications available. It's a third-party application, it's free to use, and it allows you to create mini web programs where you create a trigger and then an action, and you do this by activating channels from other applications on the web, and then you create a trigger, so if some specific event happens, then it will create another event. It will trigger another event. Okay, very, very cool. I'm going to sign in to show you the inside of it through one of my accounts, and you can see that there's all of these channels here that you can activate. There's a total of 83 channels available, so I mean, you can let your imagination run wild. There's so much stuff that you can do with this Ifttt. It's incredible, and it's hands down one of the coolest programs on the web, and again, it's free. They have mentioned that they may be creating premium accounts at some point, but I haven't seen them yet. But there's all of these different channels here that you can activate, and then you can use, for example, if you have a Tumblr blog and you have it activated in Ifttt, you can say create a recipe where if you post to Tumblr, it will tweet that it'll send a tweet with the link back to the Tumblr post. Okay, that's just one of many different recipes. I use this very specifically with the RSS feed channel so that I can syndicate blog posts or YouTube videos. There's a number of things that you can do with the RSS feeds, and that's basically what I use this for. In fact, I'm going to be releasing a product on building a syndication network of Web 2.0 and social media profiles and bookmarking profiles that you can use Ifttt to syndicate blog posts to, or YouTube videos, or both. And here's a little graphic that I had created showing this little mini syndication. These are all high domain authority, high page rank sites. We've got Google Plus page, Twitter, WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, LiveJournal, Blog.com, although Blog.com has its issues, and right now it's in one of those, at the time of this recording, it's having issues. This is Delicious, Digo, Evernote, and there's some additional ones that you can add in here, such as Facebook pages, Pinboard.in, which is another bookmarking service. There's a LiveJournal, which we have down here. That's kind of, there's a two-step process to make that work, because that's not actually in a channel that's you can activate within Ifttt. But very, very cool, and I'm going to be releasing very shortly a product that will go through setting up all of these accounts properly to create this little syndication ring, and then setting up Ifttt properly using your RSS feed from your main money site, which would be your blog, your local business website, your blog, an affiliate site, whatever. To each time you make a post, it automatically syndicates out across these channels and also provides a link back to the source. So very, very powerful way to get backlinks, plus just push your content out across some social type sites, which Google loves social sites, and Web 2.0s are powerful backlinks. And you can create this little branded syndication wheel, so it's basically like an announcement network where you're announcing new content from your blog to the world, and at the same time receiving the SEO benefits as well as some traffic benefits. So I just wanted to talk briefly about Ifttt.com, one of the coolest applications on the web, and I will be doing a much more in-depth training series on how to use this properly and set it up right. Soon. Be looking out for that. I will announce it when it's released, and it will be a very inexpensive product, but very powerful indeed. This is Bradley Benner. See you soon.